Elsewhere, more than 60 investors from Europe are in Kenya scouring for investment opportunities. The investors are targeting to invest in the manufacturing, hospitality, health and financial sectors. Professor Maria Africa, who is leading the delegation, say the investors have picked Kenya due to its strategic position as a leading economy in the region and improved investment environment. Strathmore Business School Executive Director Dr. Fred Ogola says the investors are in the country under the tutelage of Strathmore Business School, where they will be trained on how to do business in the country. The investors will be trained on how to negotiate deals in various fields and visit a number of industries in Nairobi, Kiambu and Nakuru counties.
Foreign direct investors like them, by learning about the business environment, one day they'll be sitting in a boardroom by someone says, "Can you go to Africa?" And say, "Yes, I know about Africa. I was there. This industry works, this works, and that doesn't work."
Participants from Strathmore come to Barcelona to learn about the business environment there. Our participants come here to learn about the opportunities and the way of doing business here in Kenya.
Business are very different from what we do in Spain and what we do here. So I want to learn that point of view.